So I finished Introduction to IT, which is E004 and the WGU track. And I just kind of wanted to do a quick review for the people who have been keeping track. I started the college or my semester or whatever on the 1st of this month. And right now it's the 26th. So it took me really about 24 or 25 days to submit everything and take the test. So you have to take a pretty basic exam, nothing that simple or nothing that hard. Really, if you've been studying IT for any amount of time, you're going to learn a lot of concepts like cloud computing, software as a service, stuff like that. It's very general, so it's more so vocabulary. It's not getting that technical or anything. The assignment honestly took the most amount of time. I was able to, with the experience I have, kind of rush through the rest. Just kind of read it, thought, yeah, I understand that, or oh, I'm not as familiar. I'll just read it a little bit longer or pay a little bit more attention so I can just pass this exam. Nothing crazy. The assignment, it was basically like a made-up scenario where you had to transition a company from on-premise infrastructure to cloud infrastructure, make a plan for how you would transition the people. It sounds kind of complicated, but you're not getting that technical in it. It's just more broad ideas to see really if you understand cloud concepts and how it does change infrastructure. So not overly complicated. I think I could have got it done a little faster, but I'm doing it in my downtime at work. I'm doing it with 2 kids at home. So nothing that crazy. If you're doing this full time, I think you can get it done in a week. Like I said, I work full time, have 2 kids, and I got it done in just 3 weeks. So it all depends, but some things are best not rushed, but it's just not overly complicated. I've also in that time been studying for my A+ because that's the next exam I take for WGU. But as far as Introduction to IT, very basic. You'll probably spend more time like proofreading your essay or whatever, the assignment they give you. But as far as for college, I have 3 more credits now, and it's only been, I guess that's a little more than 3 weeks. It's been 26 days since I started, and I already have 3 credits. I came in with some credits, so now I'm like 11% of the way done, and so far it's been pretty painless. So I definitely suggest it so far for anybody, and that's my review on Introduction to IT. It's just super basic, basically vocabulary, and you get it done. Definitely, I would say if you're starting with WGU, read the task first. So before you even start going through the course material, I'd read the task. If it's something that sounds very basic, like you already have a pretty good understanding, you can kind of go through it faster. If it's something that just sounds crazy complicated, then obviously you're going to need to take some time. But, that's up to you. Now I'm doing some type of professional writing thing that, I don't know, I have good grammar and I feel like I speak pretty properly, so I'm not going to stress this one either. If English is your second language or something, maybe this would be a harder course for you. But yeah, just read through the task. Maybe even get started on the task as you're going through the course material, so you can it might be a little quicker. Some days you might feel like writing more than reading. For me, for studying for my A+, sometimes I don't feel like taking practice exams. I'd rather watch a video on it. So it all depends on what you're into, but I don't know. So far it's going smooth.